Welcome back, guys. We're here at the range with this week's video, how to field strip a Glock. So everybody's got to learn somewhere. Shout out to Officer Walton out in Gallatin, Tennessee, who showed me, and today I'm going to show you guys. So just like with any weapon, you're going to clear the magazine by pressing the magazine release and inspect the chamber. So my chamber is clear. Just as a secondary precaution, I'm going to point the firearm in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Okay, so now we know for sure this is cleared. So to disassemble it, you're going to pull on the back of the dovetail to pull the slide, just like that. You'll see the barrel sticking out. So that's how you know you're doing it correctly. So over the top, pull that slide back. Next step, there's a tab on each side. You'll pull down and hold those tabs. So once you're pulling those down, release the slide. Now the next step is to pull the trigger. You have to pull the trigger to drop the slide. So it's very important that you emptied your pistol and ensure that it is cleared, because if not, it could go off. It will go off. So my pistol is cleared. I'm going to pull the trigger. If your pistol goes off, that's on you. So next step, pull the trigger, and there goes your slide. So now you have your frame and your slide. So to continue the disassembly, push down, there's your spring, there's your barrel. So reassembly, put your barrel in, put your spring back in, your slide's reassembled. Now to put it back on the frame, there's these two little frame rails. You're gonna line them up with the back of the slide, just like that. And it should just slide over just like that. There you go, just work it a couple times. And that is how you field strip your Glock. So this will be the same for every Glock. Just be sure that your pistol is clear. I cannot emphasize it enough. I don't want anybody getting hurt. Make sure your pistol is clear. You want to do it with any firearm. When you pick it up, pistol, AR, AK, shotgun, whatever, ensure that it is clear. No ammo's in it. That way nobody gets hurt. If you need to make sure a secondary safety, I do it after my AR is clear. I will point it in a safe direction, in the ground, in the dirt, pull the trigger. Just like that. Thanks for watching that video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. It'll help out the channel. If there's something you guys want to see, let us know in the comments and we'll try and get to it. Make sure to follow us on Instagram to see what's coming up next and follow us along. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.